Switch to manual jog mode. Click Custom Interface. Give pressure in first, change 0 to 2. Switch jog mode to hand wheel mode. Switch hand wheel to Z-axis, it's left and right moving. Grinding wheel bolt center is aligned to dish end edge for start point. Input start point. Start point also can be first point, so input H point 2. Dish end straight part need to move to up, so change hand wheel to X-axis. Move up to finish straight part moving. Input second point I. Start position is first point, straight part is second point. Grinding head still move to up. Use hand wheel to move in X-axis mode. Switch to Z-axis to move right. These are part to be third position. Input the third point J. Keep Z-axis right moving. X-axis move up a little. Change to Z-axis to keep right moving. Input the fourth point K. Keep moving to the fifth position and input point L. Keep Z-axis moving to center. Input the sixth point M. X-axis move up a little to reach dish and enter. Input point M. X-axis move up to leave dish end. Oslo to be ending position. Input end point. Cancel cylinder extend coolant menu. Change to jog mode, then click automatic mode. If in first time use this machine, you can test in single block. Back to machine working interface. Start on machine cycle start. Start polishing. First part polishing. When polished to center, change pressure to smaller. 0.1205 MPa. After finishing, machine will stop. And back to origin position in automatic.